In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are enough number of cheaters in the world, and even the people we are interacting with, there are certain people who are not honest, who are crooked, and they will be trying to cheat, they will be trying to deceive. They do consider it as something which is necessary, which is essential. Anyone could be their victim as well. Now, how to treat them? How to deal them? Can we do that? Can we avoid these people? Maybe we cannot avoid. We do try to avoid, but even some of the people who are the old acquaintees, and we had a good image about those people, or we didn't at least know that these are the crooks and these are the cheaters. Even some of them show themselves, prove themselves as the cheater. What to do? And they do have several methodologies, several tricks, several items in their repertoire how to deal them. Obviously, we do have to deal them according to the issue at hand, according to the matter at hand, and according to the policy they have adopted, according to the strategy, according to the tactics they are employing. A very common tactic is one of the very common tactics is that once you try to realize them that they have cheated or they are trying to cheat, you try to realize them. What they do is, what they do is that they willn't talk on the real issue, the one you want to talk about, the one you want to realize them, the one you want to tell the people around you. They will try their utmost not to speak on that, because if they do, they know, because if they do, they will be caught. Their their bad intentions will be proved. That is why they don't want to speak on these issues. They don't want to speak on the real issues. They will come to the, they will pick anything from the details. They will pick something else. They will pick something else out of the details and will like to speak upon that detail. Instead of talking about the real or the main issue, they don't want to talk about something which is a real issue and which is the basic thing. They will do their utmost to avoid the real issue. They will do their utmost to avoid the real issue. And they will, if they do speak on the real issue, they willn't talk about something which is of basic nature. They willn't talk about something of the basic nature. Rather, they will go into the details and they will try to pick certain points out of the details. They will try to pick certain points out of the details, and those points where they think that they can dodge the people, they can dodge you, they can dodge others, or they can get themselves acquitted. They can prove your allegations wrong. Here, what we need to do is never ever allow them, never ever budge the real issue. Always, always, always speak on the real issue. And always, always, always talk about something which is of basic nature. Never go into the details unless and until the basic thing has been cleared. Once the basic thing has been cleared, now you can go into the detail. Do allow them and to go into the details. But again, while going into the details, do go importance wise. Pick the points and take one by one importance wise. But the three things are very basic, very important, very important, very important. First one is not to budge from the real issue. Do not allow them. Never let them succeed in taking you away from the real issue. They will try to convert the non issues into the issues. They will try to make the non issues as an issues, so that you don't you do you could not talk you so you shouldn't be able to talk about the real issue. They will try their level best. They will try their utmost. They will do everything else they can to take you away from the real issue. You don't have to do that. Never allow, never ever let them succeed here in this thing. And then, while talking on the real issue, never go into the details unless the basic thing is cleared. Number 3, they will try to create a fight. They will try to create a fight again, for the purpose of diverting you from the real issues. With the purpose of diverting you from the real issue. Plus, it is a kind of threat. It is a kind of threat. It is a kind of blackmailing as well. That if you do speak on the real issue, I shall fight with you. And once you are fighting, new issues will be created. New issues will be created, so that again you wouldn't be able to talk about the real issue. What to do here? What to do here? Be absolutely patient. Absolutely cool minded. Absolutely positive, absolutely cool minded. No matter how abusive they are, no matter how abusive language she is using, never ever be a party to the fight. The more louder they speak, the more patiently, calmly you should respond. The more abusive language they employ, the more respectful language you should adopt. At least here, at least while dealing this issue. I'm not talking about to carry it on forever. I'm not talking about. But to protect the real issue, but to protect this, but to win this war. The purpose is to win this war. This is the purpose. That is why I'm suggesting you, that is why I'm emphasizing that never ever budge from the real issue. Never ever go into the details unless and until the basic thing has been cleared out. Number 3, they will try to fight. They will try to use the abusive language. Abusive language. Never ever respond the abusive language into the in the same manner. Rather, try to be even more respectful, try to be even more calm and confident. Never lose your temper, never ever lose it, because if you do, because if you do, and they want you to lose, they want you to lose your temper, they want you to do that. Why? Because the new issues will be created during the fight, and the real issue would not be able to take the center stage. The real issue will not be able to take the center stage. This is this strategy. Thank you. Jazakallah.